أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربي يسر ولا توسر وتمم بالخير ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما أما بعد Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear brothers and sisters, welcome to our digital Moulbi LQ course. So in this lecture, we are going to learn 4 properties of an ism. So why we should learn 4 properties of an ism? Because when we are going to construct a sentence with isms, so we must know those 4 properties, otherwise we'll not be able to construct a sentence with ism. Okay, so those are the most important things of ism. So in this video we are going to learn that. So I have already mentioned on the board that you can see that our topic is 4 properties of an ism. Okay, so there are 4 properties of an ism that we must know. Number 1 properties of an ism is zins, which is Arabic is zins, and you can say English gender. So there are 2 gender. You have to remember that there are 2 gender in Arabic language. Number 1 is muzakkar and number 2 is muannas. So what is muzakkar? Muzakkar means masculine and muannas means feminine. So there are 2 gender in Arabic language. You have to remember that. So in other language you can say there are 3 gender, like number 1 is male, number 2 is female, and number 3 is other gender. There are other gender, but in Arabic there is no other gender in Arabic, only 2 gender, masculine and feminine. Okay, so muzakkar and muannas, there is no other gender. Okay, so every word or every ism will fall into one of those category, whether it is masculine or whether it is feminine. So this is the number 1 property, zins means gender. Number 2 is adat. Adat means number. So there are 3 types of number in Arabic language because we know that there are 2 types of number, singular and plural, one and more than one. But in Arabic they have special word for 2 things, which is pair. They have on special, because when Arabs say something about 2 things, they use a special word which is called musanna. Okay, so in Arabic there are 3 types of number. Wahid means 1 and musanna means pair, 2, and jama means more than 2. Okay, so 3, you can say 3 also, more than 2. Okay, so these are the 3 types of adat. Adat means number. And number 3 is us'ad. Us'ad means types. Types means the ism is common or proper. So which is called nakra and marfa. Nakra and marfa. Okay. So nakra means common and marfa means proper. Okay. So number 4 is i'rab. I'rab means status. Status of an ism. Status. Okay. So status can be 3 types. Marfu'un, mansubun, and majrurun. Marfu means rafa, and mansub means nasab, and majrur means jar. Because when we are going to learn Arab, then we will be able to understand what is status and number, muzakkar, whatever it is. Okay, so when we are going to learn Arab, at that time you will be able to understand. I will not explain in this lecture because it will be big video if I explain Arab. Okay, so in this video, so these are the 4 properties that we must know. These are the 4 properties and ism that we must know to construct a sentence with ism. So these are the 4 properties. You can write it down. Okay, jins, gender, muzakkar and muannas. There are 2 gender, only 2 gender. Remember that there are 2 gender, muzakkar, muannas, which is called masculine and feminine. Adat, there are 3 types of number. Wahid, musanna, jama'a. Wahid means 1. Wahid will be used for 1 and musanna means pair, two, and jama'a means more than two. Okay, so number 3 is us'at, types, nakra, marfa. A word can be common or proper. Okay, nakra means common and marfa means proper. Okay, so Arab means status. I did not mention that, so I'll mention it. Arab means status. STUTAS, status. Okay, so here is no place for that. That's why I have written here. So Arab means status. Okay, Arab means status. Jins means gender. Adat means number. Usad means types. Types means common or proper. Or Arab means status. Okay, our ism has 3 types of status. Okay, so when we are going to learn Arab, we are going to learn those types of status. So these are the 4 properties of an ism that we must know about an ism. Otherwise, we will not be able to construct a sentence with ism. So this is it. If you have any doubt, if you have any question, then you can ask me directly on the comment section. You can mention your question. Inshallah, I will try to answer that. And if you contact me directly, so you can contact me on the screen. You can see my number. That is my contact number, and that is my also email WhatsApp number. Okay, so you can contact me on email WhatsApp directly also. But and also you can see my email address. So you can send me also an email. So this is it. This is the 4 properties of isms video. Okay, so wa akhiri dawana alhamdulillah rabbil alamin.